Now, Twitter has started acting against offensive accounts a day after a stern warning came in, a jail term penalty threat from the centre. Twitter suspended 2 accounts of Tractor to Twitter campaign, which was allegedly spreading objectionable content and misinformation on the farmers' stir. The government had yesterday threatened penal action against the microblogging platform if it failed to block handles spreading misinformation claiming farmer genocide. Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology had threatened to slap sections of the IT Act that would result in up to 7 years of jail term for Twitter India officials and a financial penalty to the firm. Centre's 5-page notice is strongly worded and says that the hashtag on genocide was posted on Twitter and was designed to inflame passions, hatred and misinformation. Milan Sharma joining us live for more details. Milan, a strongly worded notice that was sent to Twitter India asking for accounts that have been spreading misinformation to be pulled down with immediate effect. There were certain accounts that were trending the hashtag farmers genocide, and clearly this is the objection the government has taken. Twitter now already pulling down 2 accounts, but the government has given Twitter a list of over 250 accounts. But just so far 2 accounts have been pulled down by Twitter. In fact, Kangana Ranaut's tweets have been deleted, but the others still remain as it is.
Well, only Twitter can explain what is the kind of benchmark or what is the kind of criteria that they are using to withhold some accounts, delete some tweets, and then go forward and reinstate these accounts. Because remember, just a day before, Twitter had on the complaint filed by the Home Ministry as well as the Ministry of Electronics and Telecommunication, their IT, had gone ahead and suspended at least 250 tweets as well as Twitter accounts that had been instrumental in trending a certain objectionable and provocative hashtag that spoke about genocide. Twitter had already done that. Now they reinstated those accounts once again. Those were withheld, and now the government has clamped down on Twitter and told them that these kind of accounts are responsible for spreading misinformation about the entire situation in the country. It's important to know that the government is very serious about the way the Twitter storm is being brought around the farmers' protest, which is why anything objectionable, provocative or anything that seemed to be inciting violence is being looked at, and Twitter has been asked to clamp down on these accounts, either suspend them or withhold them. But Twitter has also not been able to do so as been told by the government and requested by the government to take action against these accounts. Now Twitter says that they are for free speech and freedom of expression, but the government certainly here on a back foot saying that those accounts and those people responsible for spreading misinformation at least should be acted against.
Milan, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.